gray car, maybe. Yeah. Woo! Whoa, whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Made it! Hello. Hi. Hello.
What time is it?
It was 12:30.
Say 12:30?
Yes,
Okay.
a little after, say 12:35. I can't see the time, it's too small. Hello. Whoa, thought you were going to go on through. Thank you.
Yeah.
I was trying to let her go by and go as slow as I could.
Oh, yeah, she stopped for
Yeah.
us. Really nice. Don't have to. We can
In Wisconsin, I think you do, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, trying motorcycles still struggling to survive. Oh, 1 mile an hour.
1 mile an hour.
Having the flood. Having the flood, you know.
Oh, here? No, I don't
Up
think
there.
Up there, yeah.
Go around, you know.
Hello. Earbud zombie. Hey, you're an earbud zombie. We'll aim hard. I'm stopping here for a second. I bet you that keeps going to voicemail. I bet you she put her phone on airplane mode or something dumb. You ready? Is this too slow for you? I know you used to say pedal assist 1 for you was 12 miles an hour.
Yeah, but so, you don't have the windshield factor is over 50, so there is only southwest or going there.
So we're going with the wind. Wait till we come back.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, I think we're getting into the water zone.
70, 60, 70 in the sun. I
oh,
want
yeah.
it flat. Just to get some warm up out of it. This I dress flat.
Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh.
Go ahead.
Hello.
The bears open. The back never sign so they move the barricade to the side. Yeah, I just found a low spot where they closed it.
Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, we got to remember to turn left on the way back. I see more barricades. This isn't where the water was. It was past that road up there. They might get water here too.
Well, there's water here on the left side, so you know.
Yeah.
Low spot overflow.
Well, I see someone coming on a bicycle, so they made it, so we should be able to make it. Hello. Hello. Ooh, nice.
That was electric, that was motorized, right?
Yeah, they were both electric. That
Oh, was that?
one was a one wheel. That's like a surfboard with one big wheel in the middle.
I hear the rumbling.
And the other one is electric unicycle. I'm going to go halfway here. Eventually. And it's a red light. Where are these people coming from? People making left turns and turns on right turns on red. Ugh. After that gray car, maybe. Yeah.
Got it.
Woo!
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa!
Okay.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Made it! Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. Did my friend wipe out? Did he wipe out?
No, we
Oh.
just ran into
Were you the one that yelled, "Oh shit"? Oh, cool. I like the helmet. Yeah, you bet.
As you fade away, as you fade away.